In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. You need to begin by going into Settings and choosing Privacy section. Then select Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Location. Now you need to select one of your apps, like Facebook, and tap on one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, don't allow, so when I go back, as you can see, Facebook no longer has access to my device location. But you can always select any feature and any app. Then click on See All Google Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!